Hi, welcome to Burger House. My name is Mary, and I'll be your server today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Hi, Mary. I'll have a Coke, please.
Regular or Diet Coke?
Regular Coke, please.
Perfect! I'll get that for you right away. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I'm ready. I'd like to order a burger, please.
Great choice! We have several options. Our classic burger comes with lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles. The bacon cheeseburger adds bacon and cheese. We also have a mushroom Swiss burger and a barbecue burger. Which one interests you?
The bacon cheeseburger sounds good. What kind of cheese do you have?
We have American cheese, cheddar, Swiss, or pepper jack. Which would you like?
I'll have cheddar cheese, please.
Excellent! How would you like your burger cooked? We have rare, medium well, or well done.
Medium, please.
Perfect! Now the burger comes with your choice of side. We have French fries, sweet potato fries, onion rings, coleslaw, or a side salad. What would you like?
I'll have the French fries.
Great! Would you like regular fries? Or would you like to upgrade to sweet potato fries or onion rings for an extra $2?
Regular fries are fine, thanks.
No problem. Now, would you like any additional toppings on your burger? We have avocado, fries egg, jalapeno, extra bacon, or grilled mushrooms. These are $1.50 to $2 extra each.
I'll add avocado, please.
Good choice. And would you like any sauces? We have ketchup, mustard, mayo, BBQ sauce, ranch, or our special house sauce.
What's in the house sauce?
It's a creamy sauce with a little bit of spice, kind of like a chipotle mayo. It's very popular.
That sounds delicious. I'll try the house sauce.
Excellent! So just to confirm, you'd like a bacon cheeseburger with cheddar cheese, cooked medium, with house sauce and avocado, served with regular fries. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great! Your total will be $16.95 plus the $2 for the avocado, so $18.95. Your food should be ready in about 15 minutes. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll bring your Coke right out, and your burger will be ready soon. Enjoy!
Thanks so much.
My pleasure!